Good afternoon, traders. Today is June 6, 2017. Today we're going to analyze the nasdaq and the crude oil. That's the market that we mainly trade with the divergence reversal momentum software. Okay, so we're going to start with the crude oil in the 5,000 tick chart. So it gives you a glance of what the market is doing. We can see support and resistance and consolidation in a better way. So as you can see, this was doji's indecision. There was nothing to do over here where the market started, opened, and nothing to do, just bouncing up that support. Okay, so the market was doing nothing. It started to make some move about 1 hour after the trading opened. Okay, so let's see the Nasdaq. Okay, this is the Nasdaq. With the Nasdaq make the yesterday's high, all-time high, and today it tagged again that high. Okay, pulling back and then making another big pullback to this support level over here. This is volume support. Okay, so it stopped to the tick. Okay, let's see what the divergence reversal momentum software did gave us today. Okay, we're gonna analyze right now the crude oil. As you can see, crude oil opened. There was nothing more to do. We did some trades over here, but not really making too much. Okay, so too much consolidation and just doing nothing. Okay, so after that time it did break this high over here, this resistance, and the market took off. Okay, and after that we measured some supports. Okay, so the market did some support over here, and we took a long to the upside. Okay, and then we exited a little bit over here, and then we exited all the other trades over here. Okay, so it was like a 50-60 cents trade. As you can see over here, lots of consolidation. It was bearish patterns all around and not doing too much. Okay, so it was very tough to take trades at these levels. So but if the market is bullish, well, we can set up our support lines like you see over here. We need to draw them manually. Okay, so if the market tags this support, and you can check out with the bidas indicator over here. As you can see, this it was a lot of bullish momentum to the upside over here. You can see the order flow. The the black dashes are buyers, and the red are sellers. You can see the buyers were more than the sellers, so you could have taken this trade, okay, just by watching at the momentum indicators. Okay, and it went straight up there with 40 ticks. Okay, so it was a good trade. You need to always take into account. You need to draw these rectangles and everything. Don't expect the computer to do everything for you. You need to do your job. You need to do something so you can help a little bit, so you can understand what's going on. As we can see over here, look at this patterns. Okay, these patterns they develop every day. Okay, if the market is doing a higher highs, you just keep on drawing. Okay, you can you use your common sense and keep on drawing. You know what the supports can mean. If they're not broken, it means that the market wants to continue to the upside. Okay, so use your common sense. That's the way of trading. That's what the divergence reversal momentum software is all about, is to teach you how to trade, and just don't take trades with pullback, right, with trend. That's the main thing. Okay, that's the main goal of this software. Okay, enough for crude today. Let's check out the Nasdaq. Okay, the Nasdaq didn't do not too much. Okay, it just did broke up to the downside today in the afternoon after market just didn't want to go to the upside anymore. It was an opportunity to short, but we didn't take that trade. Okay, so as you can see over here, there's exhaustion over here in this lower part. It's a great place to take a long. Okay, it was in the morning. This is like 30-40 ticks. It's more than enough. You're done for the day. Okay, so that's why I always tell everybody this: don't be greedy. Okay, just do your trades and just quit for the day. Okay, do something else. Okay, just don't be trading all day long, because you're gonna get whipped off and you're just gonna get frustrated, because the market is very difficult right now. Okay, so take my advice, don't be just all day long in the computer, because maybe you're good at trading, but when you lose, when you start losing, you think that your methodology doesn't work or something like that, and that's not the point, because you're over trading. Maybe you're good in what you do, but you're over trading, and that you're not perfect. You're not a computer. You don't know everything. You do not own the market. Okay, so it's just take some trades and get good trades, and go from there. As you can see over here, here is the example. Here is the exhaustion, divergence, bullish divergence. Yeah, 20, 25 ticks over here. Okay, so that's what I'm telling you. You need to trade what you see, not what you think. Because if you think you're the owner of the market, so you're not the owner. You need to think. You need to see trade what you see. Okay, what the correlator is telling you over here and what the market is telling you. Big divergence to the downside. As you can see, market is going to the upside, and we have big divergence to the downside. Okay, we had divergence, and well, the market just start making that big sell-off that went very very strong to the downside. It was impossible to trade again against this big momentum to the downside. Okay, it's no brainer. Okay, you could have made enough money over here, but well, it was almost at the close, so it was difficult to take those trades. Okay, guys, so this is all for today. If you like what you see, you can give it a thumbs up. You can share the video. Okay, if you like the software, you can purchase the software. It's $99. Okay, it's you can buy it in the link in the link below in the video. Okay, it's $99, so you can start learning. Okay, learning by seeing and doing repetition. That's the only way you can learn to trade, because if you stare at the screen all the time, you're gonna get used to what you see. Okay, so it's that's the only way that you can learn to trade. Okay, don't use those indicators that are lagging, stochastics, MACDs, all those indicators that really don't work, because you don't want to get 100 ticks in a day. This system is designed for you to get a small amounts of ticks, okay, in a very good manner, and quit for the day. Okay, this is for you to put food on the table of your family, okay, or to learn how to trade, because it's important that you want to learn to trade. You just want to practice. You can download NinjaTrader for free, and you can access data for free. So NinjaTrader is free, okay, free to use if you're gonna use it in demo and everything. Okay, and the software is only $99, so it's very 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 cheap. You receive support from us. Okay, so we always at the email, so you can ask us whatever you want, whatever you need. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. Okay, so I'm signing off for today, and we're gonna throw some videos tomorrow. Okay, so be sure to check us out, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so we can see you tomorrow, and have a great night, guys. God bless you all.